out, but later on they got adjusted to it. Thanks to the teachers for bringing up such an idea. It made not only the kids learn but also the parents learn. We remember our school days when we started doing our projects. They enjoyed what we were doing, and then it was a good experience teaching them the points also.
Hi, good morning. My name is Raghu and she is Sita, my wife. And we are happy to be here, part of the Science Expo of Eurokids. And this is our second Science Expo. It is really great experience, and we love to see the kids, how they are engaging with the parents, with the people whom they don't know. So it's good that they are developing their skills and being socializing with them, all the other people inside the premises. And all the kids have done the extraordinary job for this expo, and we really like all the Euro juniors and Euro seniors project, and we are really miss Eurokids because Anshuman is going to the next school shortly. So thank you so much.
We recommend this school for everyone. You can see the child development in every year, academic year. He is doing it for 2 years, Euros Junior and the Senior. So we have seen the fantastic development in our child. So we recommend this school for everyone. And thanks the Dean Eurokids.
Actually, the Science Expo we were expecting something else, and what's happening here is entirely different. Because one kid unique topic they are given. It's not at all repeated. What I would say is they are not, the teachers here are not training the kids, they are making them live through the world. They are not actually by hearting anything. They kidume enna question kettalu they are answering. So ellarkum elladha pathiyume theriyudhu. I cannot compare these kids with us when we were in the small age, because நாங்கள் எல்கேஜி யூகேஜியில் என்ன படிப்போம் அப்படிங்கிறது எங்களுக்கு தெரியும், என்ன படித்தோம் அப்படிங்கிறதே எங்களுக்கு தெரியல. பட் தீஸ் கிட்ஸ் ஆர் தே ஆர் வெரி தே ஆர் டு அவர் லெவல். அவங்க நாங்கள் என்னெல்லாம் இப்போ தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கோமோ அது எல்லாமே இந்த சயின்ஸ் எக்ஸ்போ இது வேற லெவல் எக்ஸ்போ. இட்ஸ் லைக் சீனியர் கிட்ஸ் செகண்டரி கிளாஸஸ் ஹையர் செகண்டரி கிளாஸஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரியான ஒரு எக்ஸ்போ தான். அண்ட் இந்த டீச்சர்ஸ் they are very ஒரு கிட்டையும் how they take care of them, how they explain things to them, it's very superb. நான் ரொம்ப satisfied, and we are very happy that she is a part of Eurokids. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ryan's mom. Ryan is in Euro Junior, and I want to express my heartful gratitude to all the teachers for giving my son Ryan opportunity to participate in Science Expo. I am glad to see Ryan how he is learning and growing, exploring the world in interesting ways. And it was an amazing experience. I loved all the beautiful projects and models. Great job done by the kids, and children spoke very confidently about their projects. Thank you Eurokids for your all efforts.